Marriage has become more challenging in recent years due to several factors. Some key reasons include social media distractions. Many couples find themselves spending more time on their phones and engaging with their partners, which can lead to emotional distance. Financial stress. Rising costs of living and economic uncertainty put pressure on relationships, making it harder for couples to maintain stability. Changing expectations. Modern relationships often face unrealistic portrayals in media, leading to dissatisfaction when reality doesn't match the idealized version. The rise of individualism. Many people prioritize personal fulfillment over traditional relationship structures, leading to a shift in attitudes toward marriage. Delayed marriages. Younger generations are waiting longer to get married, often focusing on career and personal growth first. Despite these challenges, many couples still value marriage and work hard to strengthen their relationships. What are your thoughts on this?